In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Upwork to find job opportunities tailored to your skills and interests. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or new to the platform, understanding this process clearly will enhance your job searching strategy and help you discover jobs that are the right fit for you. First, let's head over to Upwork. It's an online platform where freelancers can connect with companies looking for talent across numerous fields. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection, as this will help ensure a smooth experience as you navigate through the site. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account, so have your login credentials at hand. If you're not yet registered, you'll need to set up an account first, but that's a topic for another day. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, a central hub where all your Upwork activity can be accessed. Now direct your attention to the Search for Jobs button. This feature is incredibly useful. It's like your own personal job hunting assistant. Click on this button to start exploring opportunities. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of the position you're interested in. Here's a tip. It's always a good practice to be specific about the role you're looking for. For example, instead of just typing developer, you could type front-end developer or JavaScript developer. To refine your search further, add the abbreviation www to your search query. Doing this will help streamline your search results, making it easier for you to find relevant jobs more efficiently. Once you've entered your search terms, you'll be presented with a list of job postings that match your criteria. Browse through the postings and select one that seems like a good fit for you. When you click on a job post, it will open up the full job description. This section is critical as it provides not only the expectations and responsibilities of the role, but also insights into the company and what they're looking for in a candidate. Take your time to review this information carefully. Embedded within the job description, you may find a link to an application form. This link is how you can formally apply for the job. Clicking on it will guide you to the application page where you'll need to provide more details about your skills, experience, and interest in the role. Be sure to provide comprehensive and honest information to enhance your chances of standing out. And that's it. You've completed the basic steps to find and apply for jobs on Upwork. Remember to follow up on your applications and maintain a professional profile, as these are crucial elements for securing employment on the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful as you navigate your freelancing journey on Upwork.